Hey, we're back with another video. Found out that my tire has a puncture in it, so we gotta figure out where the air leak is and get it fixed. So let's get to it.
Nice and hot. Yeah, spin those bolts.
Alright, let's see if we can visually inspect and see if we can find the air leak. Most likely not, but we can try.
I mean, you can start poking holes into it.
No. Usually is a screw or a nail, which I'm thinking either that or that, maybe.
Well, let's take a closer look, guys.
Maybe even that. There you are.
Oh,
see
look,
that nice
look
little
who
pretty
we
school?
found. There
Nice
you go.
pretty one. See if there's another one. Nope. You know, so normally shops can't patch that, but we're gonna try to patch it with our little toolkit. It's gonna be a pain in the butt to get out, but see what we can do.
You know, they say the more pain, the more... Oh, wait, no, I'm just gonna shut up.
Alright, let's see if we can dig it out with our little corkscrew here.
Corkscrew. What is that, if you don't mind?
Little corkscrew. It helps helps with the puncture of the tire, and helps drive to be able to drive these guys in. Our little plugs. So, see if we can pull this out. See if it'll be a little easy for us. And it's a pretty good screw.
Hefty one, you say?
Yeah, it's a pretty good screw. Sucks that it has to be a screw.
Don't stab yourself, you know, it hurts too.
I've done this multiple times, it's fine.
That's what everyone says. It hurts only for a moment.
See? Pretty good screw.
So it's not the only thing there, it's just that.
Well, let's make sure that it's actually leaking before we puncture it, because once we puncture it, we'll know we have a leak.
And there he goes. He's grabbing the water.
Alright, so you know how we took out that screw on the first side? Well, that one wasn't leaking. We did find this one though, perhaps. And look at that.
Nice and bubbles.
Nice big air bubble right there. So let's get that out.
At least
This one looks like it might be another screw or a nail.
it might be a nail. Because if you're having a hard time, it might be a nail.
Well, screws have the ridges too.
Yeah, but that looks like a nail though. But we both be wrong and see what happens.
So we just gotta get it out.
Which tweezers when you need it.
Yeah, so we just gotta get it out.
That's in there. It's definitely a nail.
Alright, let me go see about...
Thought I can use my leg. I think that's what's causing the leaking.
It is. Alright. Let me go see about grabbing that.
Bubbles! Maybe I should just poke at it. Maybe it'll pop out. Nope, it didn't pop out. Lame. But...
Alright.
And look at that. He's got that weird tweezer plier thingy.
There's pliers. Maybe they might have better grip. Maybe.
Well, you can have one person pull and the other one, you know, try and tweak it out. Never hurts to have a third hand, they say. It's like a struggle, guys. Tug of war, baby.
It is, and now you can hear the air leaking, air hissing pretty good now. Or at least I know I can.
I can't hear anything up here. The only thing I can feel is the wind and the heat. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes, boys.
See? It's just a struggle sometimes.
Okay.
Good one.
You want me to hold it while you...
It's bent too.
Bent?
Yeah, I think so. It's bent in there. But yeah, it's definitely a screw. It's definitely a
Nail.
It's definitely a nail.
Well, unlike my brother, somehow he got L wrench in his tire.
And
Somebody must have dropped
crazy things happen getting tires.
Yeah.
See? It was bent a little bit.
Now you gotta get the rest out.
Yep, now we gotta see if we can dig the rest of this out. It sucks that we only have this small little hole.
But that small hole is hard and it's struggling, and it likes to say, "Nope,
Yep.
not today, sucker."
Let's see if we can get it. 'Cause, yeah, it's bent in there pretty good. And the last thing I want to do is push it in.
Okay. Okay. Now, Dredd, what'd you think?
All right, after about 5 minutes, took us 2 people just to cut that right out of there. Finally came out. So yeah, we don't want that bad boy back in our tires.
I mean, you can, but unless you want to struggle again.
No, I'd rather not. And now, all you do is we just take this, dig up in there, clean out that hole. See, now we have a real good air hole going through. Now,
Ooh, smells of air. Just kidding. This is like...
now we gotta take this and get it through. And this is supposed to seal the tire up. I do not like that, but
It's just sticking.
it's just sticking. It's kind of sticky
So
too.
how many pounds do you think you really lost?
Well, with that little nail in there, we were losing, I want to say, about 1/4 pound an hour. Because when I came out this morning from filling it up yesterday, I gotta cut this. Oh no, it's right there. Okay. So now, said to put the bonding paste right here. And then make sure we get a good glob of the bonding paste on there. And I said to take this and just throw it in there like so. So we're just gonna wiggle it in there. Make sure it goes about 3/4 of the way through. And then
Yank!
fast pull out.
Without running your own feet over with the tires.
And then now I just let it sit for a minute.
In the sun? On the cool.
Just let it sit.
And well, would you look at that? It came out.
Alright, so after we did after we let it sit for a little bit, we got the tire back on. We did cut this a little bit, but we're gonna let the ground go ahead and sand it down by itself. And we filled up the tire. Tire's now at 36 psi, which is where I like my tires personally. So yeah, we'll just get it back on and then get it down the road and make sure that the TPMS sensor resets. That's it.
Alright then, ladies and gentlemen, this next part is the easiest part in the world.
Putting it all back on.
If you can't put it back on, well, we gotta talk. You know? I'm kidding.
There you go.
Alright, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Do have a wonderful time and do be safe. Jana.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want more content.